Hey, welcome back to Voltage Gaming, or Ollie HD, depending on what channel you're watching from. Today I finally got a new mouse after breaking 3 consecutive Razer Nagas. These are an MMO mouse that were first released in 2012. This was my first ever mouse, and as you can see, it's completely broken. And with my other 2 mice, I've basically been getting double clicking issues and issues where my left click has been sticking. So I thought it was finally time to move on, and the reason why it took me so long to move to a modern mouse was because of the I was worried that I would completely ruin my muscle memory if I ditched the really distinctive shape of the Razer Naga. A lot of the binds which you can see on the side I use for many games. So while I was looking for a mouse, I wanted a mouse which still retained that ergonomic shape and also had binds on the side. While looking around, I eventually decided to go for the glorious Model D. Let's do an unboxing and let's get some first impressions. Right, so the first advantage of modern mice is sensor improvement. This mouse features an incredible 12,000 CPI optical sensor, so already I'm benefiting from a higher quality sensor compared to that of the laser sensor on my old Razer mice. Not only that, but I also see a better polling rate of 1000 Hz, which is just the response time of the mouse. This is double my old mice. Another very appealing characteristic of modern mice is their lightweight design. The Model D has a weight of 68 grams. This was the biggest hurdle to overcome when getting used to this mouse. Lighter usually means more seamless movement, and this is something which I found to be quite helpful with being consistent and not straining your hand.
No, this life ain't always what it, Hey, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Got a lot of money, but I got no me time. What I need, balance. What's my balance? 25 million, need a new challenge. Up late night, better roots on Fallon. Everybody wonder why the boys stay wildin'. Never give a damn, no, I never give a damn. I'm the man with a plan, yeah, you know I am. Walk up in and everybody know who I am. Now they wanna show love, now they wanna be fan. But I told you in the beginning.
I'm definitely gonna need to get used to this. But so far, a really nice experience. My fingers are a bit sweaty right now. Because I have the matte black mouse, it actually feels pretty nice. I'm not going to lie. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, the right click is also almost too difficult to play with. Not gonna lie. Ooh, okay, I headshot him. And it's actually really clean. I'm not gonna lie to you. And also, when I spray, I need to learn to not move my mouse too much, and I'm always getting shot in the back, bro. What is this? It feels so much more different to my other mouse. I don't know how I got that kill, but we move. It does feel nice that my click doesn't stick now. Okay, I don't know how. To be fair, this isn't really showing off my aim, to be honest, because it's not. Aim in Valorant isn't exactly the hardest. Okay. Nice. I was hitting some flick shots earlier, and holy, the looks of it. Come on, push me. All about holding angles, bro. There we go, boys. Boys, this is it. I'm getting used to it. Just hold angles, hard peek. Awkward. Okay. My first ever ace, bro. No, I'm not even joking. I'm not even trolling, this shouldn't be happening. Holy, oh my god with this mouse, holy. This should not be happening. Dude, for some reason my finger sort of is really weird. And the way I'm holding it now means that I have to adjust my finger, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how I'm doing this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna say. We had to throw in a whiff there, holy. Oh yeah, I can. It does feel nice and responsive though. Not gonna lie. Oh, I shouldn't be getting those wins. It's nice to spray. I can finally spray now. Because with my other mouse, if I held down, it would suddenly stop being held down. Okay, dude, I'm not gonna lie, this should not be happening. This feels so satisfying. The left click, just the response from the left click is just honestly really nice. Ooh, okay. And whenever I click once, actuation's really low, meaning that whenever I click once, it resets pretty quickly. So, okay, I'm second fragging, bro. I'm not even capping you. This is my second ever game. Could this mean that this is the best mouse, or could it just mean that mice don't really matter? It's all about sensitivity and hand-eye coordination. Probably the latter, to be honest. I'm not gonna be around the bush. Okay.
10 kills.
Make so much noise, bro. Pre-fire. Pre-fire. Dude, I'm not even joking. Like, you can't make this up, bro. Okay. Finally, I got put down. Finally. My fingers, like, because it's not stretching out my finger, because I had I think my mouse was, the way I held it meant that my finger was stretched out fully.